God is greater than all, greater than your trials, greater than your pain. Believe the miracle will come from the Lord. Lift your eyes up high, don't stop crying out. Stay in prayer, your victory will come about. Doubts arise and fear surrounds your way. Remember the promise, He will make a way. Every step you take is a step in faith. God is in your life. You are my refuge, my hiding place, the source of strength, unending grace, forever faithful, forever true. Jesus, I will follow you. In the valley through the shadows veil, your presence